Hello there, this is a oil change for a 2014 Chevy Sonic video tutorial. You're going to need a 15mm socket to get this bolt off the oil pan. Of course, this is a 4-cylinder Chevy Sonic, again 2014. So once you get that bolt loosened, you can actually untighten it by hand, but that oil can be real hot, so just be real careful. Next, you're going to end up needing a 24mm socket to get the oil filter off. Once that seal is actually broken off completely, you'll be able to untighten it by hand, which we did in this case. Now, there's a lot of different types of oil filters that you could use. We'll show you which one we ended up going with here in just a second. But once you have that dirty one off, it's real easy to just snap the new one on. Now again, this is the one that we use. It's a higher end version of oil filter for this particular model of car, but there's different books that you can use to get one that's more applicable to your situation, a lower tier or a lower quality one. We went with the higher tier in this case. So once you have the oil filter back in place, the new one, and the oil's has finished draining, you can retighten the bolt like we did here. Make sure it's on there tight so you don't get a leak. So we used 5W30, which was not the recommended oil for this particular engine, but for our area, that's what works the best. So if you don't know what's going to work better for your area, stick with the manufacturer's recommendations. And again, this is just showing that we used the appropriate amount of fluid, and we actually had to use all 5 quarts for our particular car. But if you have any questions, concerns, complaints, or compliments, let us know in the what you've got in the comment section. If you want to see more footage like this, consider liking or subscribing. Thank you very much. Have a good day.